Well, enjoy to drink the Red Horse beer. It is the Red Horse beer. Beer is a distinctive fruit flavor and has a satisfying strength. And a glass of premium strong beer is expertly verbally bottled by San Miguel Beer Corporation, a division of San Miguel Corporation, Manila, Philippines. Refill pass of net contents of 1,900 Philippines for property of San Miguel Corporation. That's why you drink Red Horse Big is to satisfy. Iba ang tama.
Oh, malakas na tama.
Oh, DCO naman. Oh.
Red Horse beer. Yun na.